Hi guys, welcome to Total Technik. In today's video we're having a quick look at how to remove your wheel nut cover. This is for this style of cover where the actual wheel cover in the centre completely covers the wheel nuts. So you have to remove the centre cover to actually be able to remove the wheel. So we're going to have a look at how to get these off. So first thing to note with these types of covers is if you look carefully, just on the outer kind of rim of the Audi logo there's actually a little hole just there. And that's obviously going to be the key for how we get this out. So let's take a look at what tool we're going to use. So the best way to get these out is to use a 90-degree hook tool, such as the one that I've got here. You can buy these very, very inexpensively on eBay. They usually come in kind of little kits. This is it's like a long reach one, generally quite a lot shorter, but you can buy these for literally £2 or £3 a set. They're dead cheap, which is what, like $4 or $5, something like that, but a really useful tool to have. But that's what you're going to need, is essentially a small 90-degree hook like so. So then carefully insert the hook into the hole and turn it through 90 degrees. And once you've done that, what you want to do is just grab the hook tool and again, like removing internal trims, give it short, sharp tugs rather than pulling it, and the whole thing will come off. So what you want to do is just give it a bit of a tug, like so, and it will just pop out of situ like that. So you can see there's the hook tool right there. So what you're doing is you're putting it through the hole, coming around and hooking it onto the inside. So to release it, you just feed it back through, like so. And you can kind of see the basics of kind of how this works. You've got these kind of little compression tabs, and they sit on the inside around the hub here, centre of the hub, centre of the wheel bearing in there. So you just kind of catch in that little groove there, and that's what stops it coming off like so. So that's the key to getting these off. So a little hook tool, you should be good to go.